This is Ricky Williams, General Manager at Hennessy Buick GMC. I wanted to take the time to show you one of our Hennessy Off Road specialty vehicles. This is a 2022 Sierra AT4. And part of the off-road package is we put an illuminated GMC emblem on it, so when you're coming down the road, you actually see this lit up like you would on a Mercedes-Benz. Another feature of this Hennessy off-road truck is actually has an 8-inch McGaughy's Lift Kit. If you come around to the wheels and tires, we've put a 22-inch hard rock forged wheel with a 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tire. So this has got a very, very big wheel and tire, much different than a lot of the other off-road packages you may see on the road. My favorite feature about the new Sierras is it actually has an option to put in a kicker tailgate speaker. So if you're outside in the yard and you want to listen to your music on your phone, just pair up your Bluetooth. If you're at your favorite sporting event before you go in the game, you can actually listen to anything you want right here in the back of your truck. So if you're looking for your own Hennessy off-road truck, you can visit our website at hennessympg.com and go to our Hennessy Off-Road tab to search our new and pre-owned inventory. And if you don't see what you're looking for there, let us know and we'll build it.